Can I tell you about one of my all-time favorite products? It's the hair repair. This product is amazing because it's going to help your hair when the hair is dry with frizz. It protects against heat from the sun and styling tools, and it even mends and repairs damaged hair. I love this product because it's paraben-free, gluten-free, and alcohol-free. It creates a foundation within the length of the hair to create a really nice style. And because it goes through and repairs the outside layer of the hair, or the cuticle, it then creates a really healthy and vibrant look to your overall hairstyle. And I love to use this product on everybody. Because it's lightweight, I use it on fine texture and thick texture, and curly and straight. Today I'm going to show you how to use it on my hair, which is a little bit curly, but you can use it for your hair even if it's straight. Let me show you how to do it. You'll begin with towel-dried hair. And when you take the product, you don't need very much, and which is really cool because it's going to last a long time. But really, all you have to do is use about a dime size or so. And if you have more hair, like thick hair, you'll probably want to use a little bit more. And if you don't have as much hair or really fine hair, use a little bit less. But the best part is that it doesn't weigh the hair down. So if you get a little bit too much, you'll be just fine. So if you put it through your hands like this, it's all slippery all over, and then you'll focus on the mid shaft to the ends. And so I'll just kind of take my fingers and come through the hair and make sure there's a little bit everywhere, especially on the ends, because that's where it needs the most heat protectant. And come through the top, make sure I get this other side. And I just love this because I use it on everybody. It's really, really wonderful. So when I have a lot of it from the mid shaft to the end, again, I don't want to focus on the roots just because this is a softening product, and so it's going to take away from your volume at your roots. So again, from the mid shaft to the ends is where you want to focus. All right. Now, I'm going to go style my hair, and I'll see you back here in a jiffy. Hey, so I'm back and I've styled my hair, and there's another cool thing that you can do with this product is if you take a little bit more, just a little bit, really less than you did the last time, and run it through your fingers. There's a few spots that are just not laying as nicely and a little frizz. And so I'm just going to take it through the ends, and especially where I get my frizz up here in the front and in the back where I sleep at night, I'll just take a little bit and with the specific strands of hair, be able to come through and just calm things down a little bit. This is also really great on second day hair, especially for curly hair, to just run this product through the ends, giving it a softened look overall. Really cool, I love it! I wanted to point out that we have these really awesome affirmations on each of our hair products, and because this product specifically focuses on hair repair, and I want to share the affirmation with you. It says, "You are a strong woman with natural gifts and beautiful insight. Take care of you. You can mend things best when you move through life being completely yourself." What a relief that being who you are comes so naturally. This product is going to help you mend your hair and mend your life. So what are you waiting for? Grab your purse, click on the link below, and buy this product today because your happy hair day is ready and waiting, girlfriend. See ya!